Hello everyone, welcome to another comparison video between Unity Ads and Google Admob. I will just show you what you can use and how you can use each one of those. And yeah, just a little bit comparison, between those two platforms, which one is better and why. So as you can see right here, let's just go to this right here. This is from Adpump. Now, as you can see, this is totally unbiased review. You can see the Unity ads and Google AdMob right here. You can ignore the ad pump right here. So as you can see, the Unity ads is an ad network that supports mediation, while on the other hand, a Google AdMob is an app monetization platform and also a mobile ad network. Now, for Unity ads, you have best ad formats, particularly video ads and rewarded video ads. As you can see, this is usually a mobile app with Unity ads. You get a lot of different solutions, such as you can monetize your app with IAPs. You can help users discover your app and leverage any expensive ecosystems out there. So Unity ads is great for growing your customers base, and not just that, but you can also have particularly video ads is what Unity ads is the best at. Now, when it comes to Google AdMob, it's native interstitial, and it's also rewarded video ads. So it also has video ads as well as the Unity ads. Now, what is the main difference between those two, you may ask? Now, the main difference, as you can see right here, the bottom line, if you're a game developer, you should experiment with Unity ads to boost your revenue from rewarded video ads and video ads. Again, there have been app developers that have made millions of dollars with Unity ads. So if that's you, that would be the perfect fit for you, right? If you're a game developer, you want to experiment with Unity ads to boost your revenue, then Unity ads are probably the best for you. Now, the network will cover over 400 million people in the United States and has high rates for the right traffic. Now, when it comes to the AdMob, you may also utilize AdMob to mediate with Unity ads to get most out of both networks. Now, as you can see, it's very specific in terms of who will use Unity ads and who will use AdMob. Usually, I would recommend if you're a game developer, use Unity ads. If you are someone that has an app, just a single app, you can also utilize AdMob to mediate with Unity ads, or you can use both of those networks at the same time. So again, which network is the best. This will decide on your particular, or you will decide on your particular role. Now, the key role with AdMob and Unity ads are that ad networks will allow for manual mediation. So minimum traffic requirements. For Google AdMob, like Unity ads, has no minimum traffic requirements. So I think if you want to try Google AdMob, you can try it just because it has no minimum traffic requirement. However, if you're already a experienced developer, you already have apps ready, and you already have a minimum traffic requirement established with Unity ads, you can go for Unity ads. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, leave a like down below, and we'll see you in the next video.